Welcome back to where we delve into the captivating world of coins and currency. Today we're exploring a small but significant piece of British numismatic history, the one-penny coin. From its inception to its modern-day form, the UK one-penny coin has a rich story to tell. So let's dive right in. The story of the UK one-penny coin begins in the 8th century with the introduction of the silver penny by King Offa of Mercia. These early pennies were quite different from the copper ones we know today. The penny evolved over centuries, seeing changes in design, composition, and size. 1797, during the reign of King George III, the famous cartwheel penny was minted. It was large and made of copper, intended to deter counterfeiting. The coin weighed a hefty 1 ounce 28 grams and was 36 millimeters in diameter. The Victorian era saw another shift in penny design. From 1860, the penny was made of bronze, smaller and lighter than the cartwheel penny. Queen Victoria's portrait graced the coin, followed by the images of successive monarchs Edward VII, George V, and George VI. Production moved from London to the new Royal Mint facility in Llantrisant, South Wales. This move marked a new chapter in the history of British coinage. Llantrisant, also known as the Royal Mint experience, became the new heart of coin production in the UK, utilizing state-of-the-art technology and processes to produce coins more efficiently. The pennies, minted from 1959 to 1983, witnessed a period of profound social and economic change in the UK. They were a constant presence in the pockets and purses of Britons, used in everyday transactions from buying newspapers to paying for bus rides. These pennies were a part of daily life, jingling in the pockets of schoolchildren and workers alike, symbolizing the everyday economic activity of the nation. In 1971, the UK underwent decimalization, a monumental shift from the old currency system of pounds, shillings, and pence to a simpler decimal-based system. The old penny, worth 1/240th of a pound, was replaced by the new penny, worth 1/100th of a pound. Decimal day, February 15, 1971, was a historic moment for the UK. While the design of the one-penny coin remained largely unchanged, its value and role in the currency system were transformed. Today we're diving into the rich history of the United Kingdom's one-penny coins. These coins not only reflect the economic changes but also the cultural and political shifts that occurred over these crucial decades. Let's start by setting the stage with some historical context. The year is 1959. Post-war Britain is in the midst of reconstruction and economic development. The United Kingdom, having devalued the pound in 1949, is adapting to a new economic landscape. Against this backdrop, the one-penny coin we know today began its journey. Here we have the 1959 one-penny coin. This coin features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Mary Gillick. Her youthful depiction symbolizes the new Elizabethan age, resonating with a sense of renewal and progress. Mary Gillick's design was unique for its time, showing the queen without a crown, adorned only with a laurel wreath, which harkens back to classical imagery. The reverse side, however, retained the traditional design by Leonard Charles Wyon, featuring Britannia, the female personification of Britain. The one-penny coins from this period are fascinating not just for their design but also for their composition. Until 1970, these coins were made of bronze, an alloy. First, let's talk about the historical context. The UK one-penny coin underwent several changes during this period. In 1959, the coins were part of the pre-decimal system and featured the iconic image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, with the reverse showcasing the seated Britannia. This design continued until decimalization in 1971, when the penny was reintroduced with the new decimal system. Post-decimalization, the reverse design changed to feature a crowned portcullis, a design still recognizable today. Let's start with the 1959 one-penny coin. As part of the pre-decimal system, this coin is made of bronze and weighs 9.45 grams with a diameter of 30.81 mm. When assessing its condition, we look for several key factors here. We have an example of a high-grade 1959 penny. Notice the sharp details in the Queen's hair and Britannia's figure, and the original luster still visible. Such coins in excellent condition can fetch a higher price among collectors. Moving on to the decimalization era, we have the one-penny coins from 1971 to 1983. These coins are slightly smaller, with a diameter of 20.3 mm and a weight of 3.56 grams. The material also changed to bronze initially and later to copper-plated steel in the early 1980s due to rising metal costs. But all the coins minted between 1959 and 1983 were pure bronze. Collectors often seek these coins for their historical value and the stories they tell. The variations in design and material over the years make them a rich field for study. Whether it's the different portraits of the Queen or the shift from new penny to one penny, each coin is a snapshot of its time. If you're looking to start or expand your collection, pay attention to the condition of the coins. On circulated coins, Those that haven't been used in everyday transactions are particularly prized. Take a closer look at how these pennies were minted. The Royal Mint, located in Tower Hill, London, during this period was responsible for producing millions of coins annually. The minting process involved several stages from design and die creation to striking and quality control. Each penny was struck from bronze, a durable alloy of copper, tin, and zinc, ensuring the coins could withstand heavy use. Quality control was rigorous, with inspectors ensuring that each coin met the exacting standards of the Royal Mint. Over the years, minor adjustments were made to the penny's design and composition. One significant change, consisting of 95% copper, 4% tin, and 1% zinc. This composition gave the coins their distinctive reddish-brown hue. But, as the economic conditions changed, so did the coins. In 1971, the UK underwent decimal day, a monumental shift from the old currency system to the decimal system. This reformation simplified currency and altered the denominations in circulation, including the 1 penny coin. Decimalization was a big deal. The 1 penny coin now equated to 1/100th of a pound, rather than 1/240th. To ease the transition, the design of the 1 penny coin was updated in 1971 to feature the familiar new penny inscription until 1981, and then 1 penny. From 1982 onwards, these coins, minted post-1971, continued to feature Queen Elizabeth II, but the portrait was updated in 1968 to a more mature depiction by Arnold Machin. This portrait lasted until 1984, making it the face of the decimal 1 penny coin. Throughout this period, the reverse design remained consistent, showcasing Britannia with her shield and trident. It's a powerful symbol of Britain's maritime heritage and resilience. It's important to note the material change in 1992 when the coins began to be minted in. Coins, the same factors apply when judging their condition. However, coins from the early 1980s, especially 1982 and 1983, are more commonly found in better condition due to less circulation. So, what's the value of these coins today? Well, it largely depends on their condition. For example, a 1959 penny in good condition might only be worth a few pence, but a mint condition example could be valued at a few pounds. The decimal pennies from 1971 to 1983 follow a similar pattern, with those in pristine condition fetching higher prices. For collectors, condition is everything. Here are some tips to help you maintain your coin's condition. In conclusion, the United Kingdom 1 penny coins from 1959 to 1983 are more than just pieces of metal, they're snapshots of history. By understanding the nuances of their condition and value, you can better appreciate these coins and perhaps even uncover a hidden gem in your collection. Thanks for joining me on this journey through British numismatics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coin collecting tips and history. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Happy